amazing in SS1, already representing Opokwari to even to the final. That tell you the future of this program. We know that all these young ones that you are training, teachers, you're doing a great job, and we know together we are going to do this job. And so the lab session is also means that all of you, including your teachers, will go through, and then there will be a special orientation during that period also for you teachers. So may the event inspire us all and foster a spirit of curiosity and innovation, so that at the end of it all, we'll have a wonderful contest and also build the next generation of scientists and technocrats for Mother Ghana and beyond. Thank you for this time that you've given me, and I think that we will move. I'll leave the floor for the next speaker. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Prof. He has summarized his opening address, but very understandable, and he has said everything that needs to be said. All right. So even though we've had these quizzes running, this program running for a couple of years, it is worth our while for us to have an overview of the JSMQ, the Junior Science and Maths Quiz. And there is nobody better to give us an overview of the JSMQ than the board chair of the JSMQ. In fact, my board chair of the JSMQ. Professor Kwesi Prekon is a professor of geophysics at the Department of Physics, still at KNUST. He has been teaching for over 20 years, and some of his products, some of his PhD students, some of his master's students are here with us, also teaching in the university and letting everyone benefit from what they've learned from this honorable man. I call him the man with a big heart. And upon all his achievements academically, he loves the Lord also greatly. Without much ado, I would want to introduce my board chair, our board chair, Professor Kwesi Prekon, to give us the overview.
Thank you very much. Good morning. Provosts of colleges, deans, this morning we have brought some of our most brilliant young men and then young women to come together for a special purpose. The quiz is meticulously designed to challenge and inspire and then serve as a proof of the importance of science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and then ICT in shaping the future of this country. The quiz has 5 rounds, 5 interesting rounds. The fundamental round, where we ask questions in science, mathematics, and ICT. Then we have the fastest brain, fastest finger round. Then the round 3 is a science and technology round. Round 4 is very interesting, decoding the clues. And then the last round is the global Nobel Prizes. The questions posed in this competition test not only the participants' knowledge, but their ability to think critically, solve problems as a team. This is a true reflection of the skills necessary for success in STEM fields. So right now we have 27 schools competing, 9 from the Ashanti region, 8 from Greater Accra, and then 5 each from Western and then Northern regions. This year's competition has something special because we have rolled out additional awards. So this year, we are awarding the fastest brain, fastest finger. So who will be the fastest brain, the fastest finger of this competition? We have a special award for you. We also have a special award for the riddle master, the queen or the king of riddles. We give award. We have award for the best female contestants. We have a special award for you. Special award for those who are the first entrants, those who are here for the first time, the best performing school in this area, we will give award. We also give award for in project, the one who ran 3, who is the best in round 3. Beautiful fingers of innovation, we will give prize. And then other interesting awards. So get geared up. We will treat you well before you go. And then I know that you will be returning to your schools with a big package of awards that you might not be able to carry. We have made giant strides in our mission to demystify the study of science and its related subjects. This project also visited various secondary schools. When we went to the Northern region, we visited some secondary schools in the Northern region. We came to Western region, we visited some secondary schools. And then Accra, we visited some secondary schools. And then when we came to Kumasi too, we have visited some secondary schools. What we do is, the university wants to check the progression of our past contestants. How are they doing in the secondary schools? So, when we came to Northern region, we visited Tamale Senior High. And then in Western region, we went to Archbishop Porter Girls. And then we continued to Wesley Girls High School. In Accra, we visited Presec. And in Kumasi, we have visited Opokuwari and then Prempe. And then it is very gratifying to tell you that all the schools where we went, our past contestants are first. Their average is A. And then you might ask, why is this so? So we interviewed them in the presence of their teachers. And their teachers said that what they are saying is true. They brought their terminal report, A. So we asked them, what is the secret? They said that this quiz enabled them, taught them how to learn independently, and also taught them to learn new things that the teacher hasn't taught. So when I went to secondary school, it is only revision. So let me say that in their schools, they are first. So I know that you two, after here, wherever you go, you will be first. And then when you go to the WASI exam, everything that you write will be A, 6 A's, and then you come back to us. This is the university's vision, that we train you to work hard, to be at the top of your class, and return to the first class university in West Africa, KNUST. As we witness the culmination of this year's Junior Science and Maths quiz, we have to acknowledge our VC, Professor Mrs. Rita Dixon, without whose love for this project, we wouldn't have come this far. She loves the program. And then all the buses that came to pick you, it is her handiwork. He says that he will not let any bus pick you because you are so precious to her. That's why you have the university buses coming to pick you. So I know that you are all pre-KNUST students. I know it. So very soon we'll have you here. You didn't say amen. I also want to thank my provost who just spoke. So, because he is a former contestant of the National Science and Maths, he understands what we are doing, so he also loves us. So he has been doing everything to help us. So our appreciation goes to him. I also want to appreciate my team who are here. All the work that they are doing is volunteering. Nobody gets anything. So all my volunteers, God bless you. Sometimes the going is very difficult, especially when we go outside Ashanti region. So difficult. But their dedication to hard work and their love and their understanding of what this program will become in the future, they continue to work. During the night, during the rain, in the dry season, may God bless you all. My volunteers, I cherish you. And also, I want to thank my teachers and the trainers. Teachers, the work of a teacher in training these students is very difficult. You train them in all times. During the rain, you train them. In the dry season, you train them. In the night, you train them. And sometimes their parents come and raise a lot of questions. So our teachers, we cherish you too. And then also we want to say thank you to our contestants. When you are a contestant, sometimes very difficult. When you sit on the platform and the various kinds of lights are just pointed towards you, but still you have to think well. So contestants, thank you very much. And we know that this year's competition, you will make it special. Last year, Good Shepherd was first, followed by Chire Educational Complex, and then Belhaven was third. I know that this year we have something different. I want to welcome you all. KNUST loves you. We are treating you well while on campus. Be in your uniform so that we know and be able to identify you wherever you are. We will treat you nicely. You are our clients. We love you. I welcome you all. Feel at home. This is KNUST, the best university in West Africa. God bless you. God bless you.
Thank you very much, Professor Kweku. So now we are coming to also do a very important, we need to take a roll call of all competing schools. So we are going to go through the lists of the schools. If you are here and you do not hear the name of your school, please kindly see us after. But I know that everybody is here. In no particular order, we have Good Shepherd RCJHS, Mana International School, Mata Devi Basic School, Best Brain International School, KNUST JHS, Shre Educational Complex, Galaxy Sterling Community School, New World School, Global Community School, SOS Herman Minor School, Tamale. Kamina Barracks JHS. Base Model JHS. I hope I've mentioned it right. If I haven't, see me after and tell me the correct way to mention it. Grace Holy Child Academy. Bell Haven Montessori School. Tema Parents Association School. St. Joseph RC. Ashridge Montessori School. The Youngsters International School. Star Holy Kingdom Academy. Rising Star Montessori. Nautical Goodwill JHS. Atomic Hills 2 JHS. Ahenema International School. Barbara International School. Beidou Ado Methodist School. New Pathways Academy. And the 27th school is Naval Base JHS. Is everybody represented here? Let me hear a yay. I don't like your yay for the first day. It's not strong. Can I have a yay? That's much better. You're exciting me. Poised for the set of contests that are going to be rolling out in a couple of days. All right. So before our fireworks, I would want to acknowledge some important personalities, some important people with us. I would want to start with the Dean of the Faculty of Social Sciences, who is representing himself, and also the Provost of the faculty. He is in the person of Professor Kabila Abbas. Prof, please, can we see you? Thank you very much. With much honor, I would want to also introduce my provost. The provost from the college
Okay. So, as we told you, we wanted to do the ballot in person, in front of you. So you know it's new, we are neutral. We are not interested in a particular school winning. So without much ado, let me explain the principle. We have about 3 criteria. The first is for the seeded schools. The schools that reached the finals last year, they would come first. And that's Good Shepherd, Tre Educational Complex, and Belhaven Montessori School. Okay. Apart from that, in Port A, we have other 6 schools who were higher scoring schools in the various regions. So we had Tema Parents from Accra as part of it. We have KNUST JHS and Best Brain JHS as part of Group A. And then we had SOS and Grace Holy Child, also from Northern Region as part of Group A. And only one school from Western Region, that's New Pathways International, also in Group A. Group B also features the middle scored schools. That's, we group them from the highest, the middle, and then the lowest scores. So the middle schools, we had Mana International, Galaxy Sterling, New World, and Global Community from Ashanti region. They will be in Port B. And then we had Kamina Barracks, Bassi Model, the 2 of them too, as part of Group B. And then we had from Accra, St. Joseph RC, Ashridge, Montessori, the Youngsters, Star Holy, also in Group B. And then for Western Region, we had Ahenemba. That's only Ahenemba in Group B. So the last set, which is the least scoring, that's from 42 to 30 marks. We had Barbara International, Beduado, Atomic Hills 2, Matadevi from Ashanti. We had, and then that's only Matadevi from Ashanti region. So this is it. We would, instead of all the schools coming here to pick, we would want to call reps from each of the regions to help us in the picking. So to do us the honor for Ashanti region, I think Good Shepherd RC, any rep here from Good Shepherd RC are reigning champions. Okay, if none is here, let's invite Tre Educational Complex. Any teacher from Tre, please come. Okay, and doing us the honor for Northern Region, the finalist, Belhaven Montessori. Please, a rep from Belhaven. And then last year's semi-finalist from Accra, Ashridge Montessori, doing us the honor for picking. And then for the Western region, we will have any rep from Ahenemba International School picking. Oh, okay. So for the first slot, the seeded schools will have the 3rd, 6th, and 9th contest. We would want one seeded school for a day. So that's what we will do for the seeded schools. So you pick one yellow ball and then pick the number and then open. Yeah, please. So for Ashanti region, pick one yellow ball and then one number and then open. So we see the school and the contest number. So we will show it to you all. Okay. Belhaven Montessori first. Let's see the contest number. Okay. So contest 1, Belhaven Montessori School. Please fill that. All right. So please pick one yellow and then one. And next is Good Shepherd RC. We'll pick the number. And then typing. It's right. Contest 6, Good Shepherd RC. And then please pick the last yellow. Okay, so contest 1, the first slot will be from Belhaven Montessori. And the first slot for contest 6 is occupied by Good Shepherd RC. So we would have the last one, last seeded school. Okay, automatically that's Chair Educational Complex. Let's see the number contest. Contest 9, Chair Educational Complex. All right. So we have the first slot for contest 1, 6, and 9. Now we go to the highest scoring schools. We have 6 of them. So the first will pick from box A, and then another will pick from box B or C. Box B represents only Accra and northern regions. Box A represents the 5 Ashanti regional schools. And then pot D represents Ashanti and Western, the 4 of them. And pot E represents the 5 Greater Accra schools. So you need 3 people for contest 2. So pick one from here. Yes, please. Since we do not want schools in the same region to meet, if it happens to be an Ashanti regional school, okay, this is a Greater Accra school. So the next we'll pick from pot C, which has schools from Ashanti region. So Tema Parents Association, slot 2. So please pick from pot C. No, not pick. Pot C are for Ashanti regional schools. So global community contest 2. Contest 2. All right. And the last we pick from. Okay, so we have Accra, Tema. Okay, Accra, Ashanti. So you have to pick from Western or Ashanti. So pick from here. So the first contest, that's the seeded schools. I told you they represent the third, the seat, and the ninth. Okay, so that's Mater Davis School for contest 2. All right. So contest 2 set. The first was contest. They have even picked contest 3. Okay. So this automatically is contest 1. Okay. So what we picked is actually contest 1. All right. So contest 2, please pick one from here. Pick. Well, let's see the outcome first. Because you don't want 2 schools in the same region to meet. Grace Holy Child, Northern Region. So please pick from Ashanti Region. Contest 2, slot 1, Grace Holy Child. Contest 2, slot 2, Galaxy Sterling Community School. And then we have Northern Ashanti. So you pick from Western or Ashanti. Contest 2. Barbara International School. Barbara International School. All right. So since contest 3 is already occupied by Belhaven, which is Northern School, we will pick from the Ashanti School again. Pick from Ashanti. Yeah, this is contest 2. This is the third contest now. So Belhaven, slot 1, contest 3. New World, slot 1, contest 3. Slot 2. And then you pick from Accra. Yeah. Yeah. Where's okay. Star Holy Kingdom Academy. So we have 3 contests now. So the winners for the 3 contests, contest 1, contest 2, contest 3, will meet in the semi-final. And we are carving out the path. Okay. So the 4th contest, please pick from the highest scoring. Please come pick. Best Brain International School. Best Brain. So you pick from Accra and West. Yeah. Accra and West here. And then you pick from North. No, here. Okay, there wasn't any Northern school in the 3rd lesson, so pick from Western region and Ashanti. Okay, Accra, pick from Accra. Ashridge International Montessori from Accra. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, pick from Western. And then pick from Ashanti. Okay. So Best Brain, Ashridge. Okay. Bedwado Methodist JHS. That's contest 4. Contest 5. Go again. Yes. Contest 5. SOS Herman Minor Tamale. So pick from Ashanti. Mana International School. And then the last for Accra. the Youngsters International School from Accra. Okay, so let's give it up for this set as we welcome another set on stage. Thank you so much for doing that. Yeah, Diana. So we arrange what? So we will call in no particular order for Ashanti region any rep from Mana International School. And then for Western region, Barbara International School. For Northern region, Kamina Barracks. And then for Greater Accra, Tema Parents. Please, any rep from these schools come do us the honor. They are arranged. So we are left with 2 higher scoring, 4 middle class, and then 4 low, not low class literally, I mean low scoring schools. Yeah. Okay, so please Mana pick from the higher scoring. Barbara, we wait before we see the outcome. This is contest. Okay, New Pathways Academy. Please, which contest is this? Okay, so contest 6 has already been picked. So this is contest 7. Contest 7. Okay, let's pick New Pathways in Western. Okay, so pick Ashanti. That's the last Ashanti Regional School. Okay, Western. Naval Base, JHS. New Pathways, Naval Base, JHS. And the last from Accra. Please pick from here. This is the 7th contest. The seat contest. Okay, Rising Star Montessori picking the last slot for contest 7. All right. So we will need 2 other slots for contest 6. I learned it was an Ashanti regional school that picked contest 6. So please, someone to do as the honor from picking from Accra or Western or Northern region. Kamina Barracks JHS. You meet contest 6 was Good Shepherd RC. Okay. And then the last from Accra. Nautical Goodwill School, Nungwa. Nautical Goodwill School. Contest 6. So contest 8. Please, Mana, pick the last. KNUST Basic JHS. Then pick. KNUST Basic slot 1, contest 8. Slot 2, contest 8. St. Joseph RC, Accra. And then contest 9, contest 8, last slot for Accra. Okay. Atomic Hills 2 Basic School. He picked that. Okay. So the last slot was picked by Ashanti Region Educational Complex. So this is the last we have. Please pick. The last school, contest 9. Bassi Model School. Basi models to share Basi model, and the last Ahenemba International School. So now we have all 9 slots which will be projected if it's ready. Thank you so much. Please give it up for them as they exit. Okay, so see that we had more schools in Accra and Ashanti. So ideally, we were trying our best for 2 schools in a region not to meet. But it can't happen that way. It can't be perfect. So we have about 2 or 3 contests with Accra schools meeting and Ashanti schools meeting. It was because Accra and Ashanti had the highest number of slots. So our criteria didn't allow, we just wanted to preserve the highest scoring schools and the seeded schools. And then while preserving them, we also wanted to maintain that same rule that 2 schools in the same region would not meet. But that's as much as we can go. We can go 7 or 6 contests perfectly. For 8th, 9th contest, I think 2 schools from Accra or Ashanti would meet. That's why you have that. So the road is such that the winner for contest 1, contest 2, and contest 3 will meet. Semi-final contest 1. Contest 4, 5, 6, semi-final contest 2, and then contest 8, 9, 10, semi-final contest 3. Then the winners would be in the finals. Thank you very much for your audience.
Thank you very much. So before Oscar brings us the summary of what has happened here right now, for you to listen through and know which school you are meeting at every point in time, we cannot be on the ground of KNUST and not hear from our VC. So representing Professor Mrs. Akosua Rita Dixon is Dr. Mrs. Aurelia Linda Ofori to give us the keynote address on behalf of my prestigious VC.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Maybe that one is more like it. I hope you have taken something in this morning. The response of the good morning was like you haven't eaten. You had some sausages and some bacon and cheese. That's good. So I bring you greetings from our Vice Chancellor, Professor Rita Akosua Dixon, who for some reason cannot be here with us. And the Pro-VC was supposed to come in her stead. Unfortunately, he was also ambushed. And so I had to come in and represent them. So it's a very large or big shoes I'm supposed to wear. And you know how it is when you are wearing somebody's shoes. If it's bigger than you, you can't walk well. If the shoe is smaller than you, you can't fit in. So whichever way, you can't walk well. So I hope you can pardon me if I'm not able to wear the shoes as I'm supposed to. So I have a speech written for the Vice Chancellor, a speech to be delivered by her, and I will read it as it is. Please don't think that I am the Vice Chancellor. It's too big a shoe to wear this morning. So from her words, good morning, to all of you. It is both an honor and a pleasure to stand before you this morning as we gather for the national competition of the Junior Science and Maths Quiz. This event is not just a competition, it is a celebration of intellectual prowess, a showcase of talent, and a testament of the importance of fostering a passion for STEM disciplines. As we prepare towards the grand finale of the competition, I am reminded of the critical role that STEM education plays in shaping the future of our society. The skills these young minds are developing, critical thinking, problem solving, and innovation, are the very skills that will drive progress and transformation of our nation in the years to come. I commend the participants for their hard work and dedication, the educators for their guidance, and the organizers for creating a platform that encourages excellence. The commitment to STEM education aligns with the vision of our university, the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. And it is heartening to see the enthusiasm and talent on display here today. My congratulations to the ultimate winners when all is done, and to all participants. The mantra for the contest is not to win, but to take part. I encourage you to continue your pursuit of knowledge with passion and determination. The future holds immense possibilities, and it is through events like these that we pave the way for a brighter and a more innovative tomorrow. And now, by the powers vested in me as the Vice Chancellor of the great university, Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, I declare the contest open. Thank you, and may this finale be a source of inspiration for all of us.
Thank you very much, Dr. Mrs. Ofori, for representing our Honorable Vice Chancellor at this time. Is our fireworks ready? Is our fireworks ready? Okay. So I've just been told that because we want to have a grand and a very big fireworks on the last day, we are putting all our resources together to have that on the last day. I just promised a summary of the balloting results. Oscar, are you ready with a summary? Is Oscar ready with a summary? Okay. All right. So whilst we wait for the summary, I would want to invite Dr. Cyril Boateng to take us through our lab tour. You know, that's one unique thing about JSMQ. We don't just test you on the theory, but we also give you exposure and some hands-on feel of what you would come to do and expect in this great and prestigious university. Welcome, Doc.
Thank you very much. So good morning. Congratulations to all the teams that have made it to the finals, and I hope to see all of you in the future doing great things. We have a lab tour right after this program. So I'm going to do a quick run through so that we can all follow how the organization will be like. So there will be groups of 3 schools that will go to each lab, and we'll have 3 labs each this morning. So right after this program, you will go to 3 labs right after here. And then after that, we'll go for lunch. After lunch, we go again to another set of 3 labs, right? So we'll divide the schools into 3 groups. And I'm going to go through the list and tell you some of the people who will be taking you around. So right after here, I hope the teachers can lead their students to those tour guides, and then they will take you to the labs you'll be touring. I hope that you will learn a lot this morning and this afternoon and tomorrow morning as well, so that in future, we'll see a lot of you here joining us in our labs and becoming great scientists and great engineers in the future. All right, so let me start with Group 1A. Group 1A will be led by Matilda. Please, where is Matilda? Right, so Matilda will have a sheet with Group 1A on it. So you meet Matilda, and the schools that will be going with Matilda are SOS, Herman, Kamina Barracks, and Grace Holy Child. I'll take it again. SOS, Kamina Barracks, and Grace Holy Child. So you are in Group 1A, and you'll be going with Matilda. She's your tour guide for today and tomorrow. So you'll be with her throughout, and she'll take you to all the labs you should go. The second group, Group 1B, will be going with Patrick. Patrick is right behind, he's raising his sign, Group 1B. Group 1B is Bellhaven, Bassi Model School, and Bedu Ado Methodist. So you'll be going with Patrick. Group 1C. Group 1C will be going with Hannah. Where is Hannah? All right, so Group 1C will be going with Hannah. Group 1C includes new pathways. Oh, please come forward. Please come forward so that they will see you. So Group 1C is New Pathways Academy, Naval Base Basic School, and Barbara International School. Group 1C is New Pathways Academy, Naval Base Basic School, and Barbara International School. Right. Then we have... Okay, so that they can meet them. So, just a quick one. The reps of the school can come and meet the tour guides right after here and get to know the people you are going with. All right? I was on Group 2A. Group 2A. That's Desmond. Group 2A is Ahinima International School, Atomic Hills 2 Basic School, and Ashridge International Montessori School. Group 2A is Ahinima International School, Atomic Hills 2 Basic School, and Ashridge International Montessori School. That's Group 2A. Group 2B is with Mercy. Group 2B is Tema Parents International School. St. Joseph RC, and then the Youngsters International School. So Group 2B is Tema Parents Association School, St. Joseph's RC, and the Youngsters International School. Then we have Group 2C. Group 2C is Bismarck. He's leading you around, your tour guide. Bismarck will go with Star Holy Kingdom Academy. Nautical Goodwill School, and Rising Star Montessori. I take it again. Star Holy Kingdom Academy, Nautical Goodwill School, and Rising Star Montessori. Then the last set of groups, Group 3A, will go with Evans. Your tour guide is Evans. Evans will lead Good Shepherd RC, New World Basic, New World School, and Mana International School. I take that one again. Group 3A, Good Shepherd RC, New World School, and Mana International School. Then we have Group 3B. Group 3B will be going with Emanuela. Group 3B includes Global Community School, Best Brain International School, and Galaxy Sterling Community School. Group 3B includes Global Community School, Best Brain International School, and Galaxy Sterling Community School. Then last but not the least, we have Group 3C. Group 3C is going with Jonah. Jonah is the last tour guide standing there. And Group 3C includes Chire Educational School, Matadevi Basic School, and KNUST Basic School. I'll take that one again. Group 3C is Chire Educational, Matadevi Basic School, and KNUST Basic JSS. So right after the program closes, please, the teachers leading the schools should go to each of these people, and then we'll be led to the labs that we are going to. We are a little bit behind time, so I'll plead that we organize that as fast as possible, and then we start the tours. Thank you very much, and then I'll see you in a few minutes.
Thank you very much, Dr. Cyril Boateng. All right. So the summary of the balloting results will be projected onto the screens for you to have a look at. All right. Thank you very much for your time. Our program has almost come to an end, and we started off with a prayer. We would also want to end with a prayer. We would want to invite Dr. Abena Boakye to do the closing prayer for us.
Good morning once again, and thank you very much for being a wonderful audience. Please, let's have a word of prayer. Let's bow our heads for prayer. Our Lord and Master Jesus, we thank you for how far you have brought us, for bringing us to a successful end of the opening and the balloting. We ask that even as we leave here, we are continuing with other activities. We know that you grant us grace and you be with us. So we thank you in advance. In Jesus' name, we pray with thanksgiving. Amen.
Thank you very much. So once again, on behalf of our VC, Professor Mrs. Akosua-Dickson, we would want to say thank you, and JSMQ would want to personally say thank you to the important dignitaries around with us. Professor, our Provost, and Professor Abbas, thank you for spending this time with us. We greatly appreciate it. Long live JSMQ, long live KNUST. So for the various reps from the schools, please, as you walk out, the team leads or the tour guides, the scientific tour guides are at the back of the auditorium. Kindly see them and form an acquaintance with them so that the tour would be very pleasurable and educative. Thank you very much for your time. God bless you, and we meet for the contest on Wednesday.
You have done it again, Jesus, in your special yes.